Yeah, who was born in 1983, 1990, 94? Let me know. Oh shit, two bands. Let's close. That's how you do it. Close the profit. Let's get into the video.
What's going on, YouTube? Today we are going to definitely flip some good money. Today we are gonna get some cash.
But people change like the time do. Clock ticking where money go. Forex trading, yeah, I'm in it. What? Currency, yeah, I'm in it. Money with a bad bitch.
Okay, so as you guys can see, I done already got negative $20, so my account is at $182.95 currently as we speak. But as you can see, for me being in the SPX trade, with both of those lot sizes being on the positive, if I close out right now, I'll be at 300 something. Looking at the chart, as you can see, I'm in for a sale, and we can see right now that based off this hour 4 chart, it's definitely gonna make the new hour 4 chart at 2 a.m. and it's going to sell even more based off of the way the wick is looking. This hour 1 chart is showing the same thing. I'm just going in and checking out all these charts just to make sure, confirmation for myself. And as you can see, I just came back and now we're at $148 in a positive, but it's still fluctuating. Now, as you can see, I done added more entries, of course, being me. I entered GJ because that's a trade that moves similar to SPX. They're part of the same family. SPX is like the father, GJ is like the son. Looking at GJ's chart, it doesn't look too similar to SPX currently right now. Today must be a weird day. So we're going to continue and have faith and see what we can flip. So far, like I said, you see we're already at $182.95. Yes, starting out. All due to the fact that I lost that $20 in the beginning. I'm looking back at this chart now, this minute 1 for GJ. Okay, it's buying a little bit. So that's showing that the fact that I'm in the sell, it should put me more in the negative if it's buying. Now going to this, as you can see, speeding up. It's now 1:22 a.m. We now have $233 in the positive. Still starting out $182.95. But if I was to close out of everything now, instead of me having 300 something, I had $421.55. Oh, well, now you just seen it jump to 426, and now it's at 425. That second right there where the equity is always what I can close out at. The balance is what we started at, and the margin levels and stuff of that nature, that all falls under the category of leverages. As you can see, now we're currently, it's 1:57 a.m. If I close out now, we'll be at $405. It's definitely fluctuating, it's retracing, etc. Because at one point in time earlier, we could have been higher than that. Damn, I should have closed out. I knew I should have. But it's all good. We're still going to have high faith, high spirits, and we're going to see how far down the rabbit hole we can go. Because since it's a sell, we're definitely digging. All right, 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're looking at $344 in the positive. As you guys can see, what I said earlier was a little right. We're going down the rabbit hole, all right? We was at 406. Now we're at $527 if I close out right now. Right now. Guys, you are currently looking at the times. You're looking at the times the money is being made as well. What are you guys going to do? Are you guys going to continue to stay in modern day slavery, or do you want to come over to the financial freedom side? Not only financial freedom, residual income side. Not only residual income, but passive income side. It's 3 different benefits when you come over to this side. Financial freedom, residual income, and passive income. Modern day slavery is over. So as you guys can see, I've closed out of what we had. So now my balance now is $520.86. I felt like that was good for my account, but I ended up wanting to hop back in. I only hopped out because I figured that the sell wasn't going to go that much no more. It started retracing. I got a little nervous. So as you can see now, I'm starting to indulge in the gold, which was my baby. I seen from the last video, $349 in one night. So I just want to mix gold up with SPX, let them date a little bit, make this money together. As you can see, gold is starting to migrate to the positive as well. I mean, it's fluctuating though, so it's negative, positive, negative, positive. But all the real traders know what's going on here. The ones who don't know about trading, the link will be in the description down below. Go ahead and sign up, get into our private room, and get you some money. Okay, on that note, as you can see, we're $85 in the positive. It is currently now 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:18. So we jumped from 3 in the morning to 10. And this is what we're looking like. So we got $300 last night, $300 extra dollars for real. Well, yeah, 300 something. And now we're sitting here trying to build even more. So last night I basically made a McDonald's check. For someone working 2 weeks, you know, mopping floors that aren't theirs, you know, training people that might potentially take their spot, etc. It's a lot going on when it comes to those slavery jobs. When you could sit here and be making this money with us and not have nobody over your head, not have a boss annoying you, no communication problems. Some of you guys might be in certain workplaces and have problems with some of your coworkers. It might not even be your boss. I'm here to tell you that this is money that you can not only make from home, but anywhere. You don't have to be around people that you don't want to be around. I know some of you people wake up in the morning, you're like, oh God, I gotta go back to that job. Oh God, I gotta go see this person here, this and that. You don't have to feel like that. You get into this, you work from anywhere. God damn, I don't care if you're at the beach. Pull out your phone and you see what you can do. Currently it's 12 o'clock. We're at $70-something in the positive. As you guys can see, I've already jumped up, okay? From 10 a.m. to now 12. In 2 hours, I went from $500 to, as you can see now, at my equity, is $1,390. $1,390.56. If I close out of this other entry now, I will be at $1,600. I just did that in 2 hours. Y'all seen the time. From 10 a.m. to 12. Keep watching. Let's look at this graph. So looking at the graph, as you can see, again, everything is confirming that it's going to continue to sell. We're looking at the bodies of the candlesticks, and we're looking at the wicks. The wicks is the little tail that it leaves at the bottom or above to see which trend it could possibly break into next. But so far, it's no transitioning going on here. It's holding a solid sell. We're jumping off the Himalayan mountains. Okay? As you can see, $1,632 right now if I close out of this SPX sell for 30-cent lot size. A 30-cent lot size means that I'm in this shit at $3. So every time one of those points move up, I'm getting $3. Yes. So on that note, let me keep on talking to you guys. If you guys ever had a dream in your life that you wanted to fulfill, whether it be traveling to a certain country, whether it be getting your favorite car, getting your favorite house, having the American dream, scratch the American dream, having your dream, okay, this is going to pave that way for you. This is what it's going to take to make all your dreams come true. Not only yours, but for generations to come. Some of you guys might not even have kids yet, but if you're planning on it, trust me, this will definitely pave the way for you, your kids, your grandkids, your great-grandkids, and generations to come. All it's going to take is consistency, focus, and foundation of communication. We've already taken care of all of that for you guys. We have chats and etc. set up as far as for communication and focus. It's up to you guys to sign up, change your lives, indulge in the communication foundation in these chats, indulge in the focus of your mental power. What we need from you guys is consistency. We've already knocked out the other two. You give that last piece of the puzzle, and you will be making this same shit. Excuse my language. You'll be making the same stuff. I know it's a lot of younger people on my page, and I know it's a lot of older people on this page as well, so I apologize for the inconvenience. Profanity is not something I indulge in a lot, but this is just a serious thing. I'm excited about it. I know a lot of you guys are excited as well to get jump started into this. So, hey, let's just bask in the ambience, shall we? On that note, oh my gosh, look at the day chart. We know this is going to sell tomorrow. So I might as well just stay in this thing for the rest of the day, huh? What y'all think? Because honestly, I'm thinking I might be getting a little too greedy. We might have to get out of this. I think I've made enough money for the day. Oh my gosh, you know what? I might be BSing myself, guys. I think we're going to stay in this a little longer. I think we can make that 1,600 into something more. I'm not sure all the way yet. I mean, I am sure. But, you know, I have my second doubts every now and then because, you know, the market has a bipolar attitude. It jumps up, it jumps down. You just never know. But it's up to us to believe in ourselves. It's up to us to study these charts and get it down to a T as if we was getting down to a T with our significant other. Oh my gosh, we was right. Look, we are $400 on the positive. We are less than $200 away from $2,000 in less than a day. Are you guys seeing this? This is happening live. It's like, it's not happening live. It was at one point in time, but I couldn't, you know, download it and put it up for you guys to see when it was live. But just trust me, we got some live events coming soon because just subscribe, comment down below, make sure you like this video, and make sure you share because definitely it's more coming, more training. It's just going to be great. This summer is ours. If you're sitting on your couch watching this video right now, watching the money I'm making, and you're still sitting in your head and you're like, oh my gosh, I got to go back to work next week and probably make the money to be able to sign up for this, you're still doing the wrong thing. If you have the money on you right now, you need to sign up and flip that money, get it back, and then some. Because that job that you have is not doing anything but taking up your time. Time that you could be using to indulge in other activities, festivities, making your life better, making your kids' lives better. That's all these jobs are doing. And that's why it's still slavery. They're using up all of our time for them, for their success and their businesses, when that same time we can be using in our house or somewhere else in the world, evolving our talents, okay? Everybody in this world is born with a talent, but a lot of us don't evolve with our talent because we don't have the time to invest to make ourselves better, because we use our time and sacrifice it for a fucking piece of shit dollar that's not even going to get us what we want. It's just going to get us by with the bills that the government creates for us. So you're not having no time for fun. You're not having no time to evolve your talent. The talent that you might have that could probably make you billions. It could be something as easy as singing. But because you don't use time with it, you don't practice it enough, because you're probably flipping burgers, or you might be somewhere else driving a tractor trailer, you don't have the time to practice on your singing. That could possibly make you billions and billions of dollars. The only time you have to sing is in the shower. That's not enough time. 8 hours at a job is way longer than 20 minutes in the shower. I'm telling you right now, this is financial freedom. The only time that you should be taking out your day to do any labor work is if you're helping a local friend move, or if you're helping your woman pick her up against a wall or something. That's the only labor you guys should be doing at this point in time in your life. Or if you want to go to the gym and evolve your muscles. That's it. Other than that, it's time to live a stress-free, happy, healthy life. Okay? Sorry, I got off topic. I had to give y'all a little promotion. But now let's get back to the charts. As you guys can see, a little time has went by. My phone is currently at 15%. It's all good, though. Because as you guys can see, we're in a little bit of a retracement from what I'm showing y'all. On a 15-minute chart, yes, it's a little bit of retracement. Yes, I know I could have closed out at $1,800. Now we're at 16 again. But the thing about it is, it's all about your entries. Now, see, I know I got a fire entry. That's why even though it's retracing, I'm still a positive of $220. Okay. It's all about the entries. We'll go into a little bit more about that when you guys sign up and we involve you into the chats that we have going on. I will let you guys know more about that. Your entries are definitely a very important role. Just like communication is part of the foundation, entries are as well. If you have a messed up entry and it's going in the direction that you think it's going to go, you're still not going to make no money. Like, entries really mean a lot. If you get an entry in the right spot and it's going in the way you need to go, you'll make hundreds of thousands, as you're seeing here. So wake up. It's time to stop counting sheep. If you guys are on my Facebook, you know I put some posts up about that. Let's stop counting sheep. When you count sheep, what do? You go to sleep. A lot of you people have been counting sheep since you came out the womb. That's unacceptable. You guys have been asleep since you were born. You guys have been asleep and programmed and manipulated to think certain things are okay and to think that you won't achieve the best that you can in your life. That's a lie. It's a lie. We are sat here, we are born. By the time our minds start really working and interacting with the world, when we should really be focusing on our talents, the government has made a way to forcefully put us into school, kindergarten, first grade, to learn shit from them that a lot of the times we don't even use when we get out of school. It's all a distraction. It's all programming. It's basically let somebody know, yeah, you got to be here at a certain time, stay the whole day, and then go home. That programs kids to want to work 9-to-5 jobs. Let's keep it 100. I was there. I had to break out of my own programming. Okay? And when I broke out of my own programming, the universe brought me upon people that was already deprogrammed. And it also brought me around people that were still programmed, but had an open mind to hear what I had to say. That open-mindedness will take you a long way. Being a biased individual will hinder you from your blessings. Because by you being biased and closed-minded, not only are you not going to want to hear shit what somebody else got to say, but also you're going to sit there and you're going to be like, I'm going to procrastinate on this. Yeah, this guy told me this a year ago I could be doing this, but I'm going to procrastinate because I don't really believe it. That's not working. Trust me. Because anybody could tell you, if they're really smart, procrastination is the thief of blessing. You might have a blessing waiting for you at the other end of this fucking store, and you can't get to it because last year and since then, you're still procrastinating and you don't want to walk around the corner. So no. Procrastination is the thief of blessing. Being a biased, closed-minded individual will harbor procrastination, okay? Harbor programming, okay? This video is not to upset any of you guys. This video, honestly, is me speaking out of frustration because it's like, I'm just frustrated to see my people still in the mud. Every song that comes out, I'm still hearing, I got it out the mud, I did this and that and that. I want to start hearing stuff talking about, yeah, I got it. I was already up top when I got it. Like, it's too many of our people getting it out the mud. We're not dirty. Okay? Let's get this mindset going. We are kings. We are queens. We have been stripped of our royalties. Now it's time to get it back. As you can see, currently I'm in the sell trade. It's retraced so much that now I'm $143 negative, right? Don't worry about being in the negative every now and then because it's dependent on, like I said, again, the foundation, which is what? The entry, right? That's going to eventually come back down when it's done retracing and all that. As you can see, yeah, if I close out right now, I'll be at $1,463. That's less than what I started out with because, you see the $1,549. But again, like I said, the foundation, the entry will reveal itself. Yeah, we're negative right now, but it's going to go back into the positive. Stay tuned, be here with me, and let's watch it grow together. Okay, so now Oh my gosh, it's retracing a lot. Oh my gosh, but just like Buzz Lightyear, have no fear. Right? Yeah, y'all know about Toy Story. Alright, so it's currently 1:37 p.m. Already, y'all just seen that shit. You seen my profit. Y'all seen the profit. And it flipped like that because this thing is really on a time schedule. So I guess the time just entered, and when I got some other money yesterday, and it just refreshed it for real. But it's all good. Y'all see that. All the blues is profit. All the reds is none. Now look. It looks like everything retraced, right? And I even put in another entry because I was so confident that it was going to retrace. Look at this. Now here we are. It's 2:37 p.m. We are at $391 in the profit. I am less than $40 away from 2 bands in less than a day. You know what? I think I'm going to close some of this shit out. I ain't going to lie to you. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and set a SL. SL means stop loss. So if it gets down to that point, I can be closed out still in profit. So let me go ahead and modify it, put it on both of them. Matter of fact, I don't know if I want to put one on there. You know what? Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Stop loss. Let's go ahead and put it 3025. Yep. And we're just gonna watch this money grow. I'm at 2,000 right now. Oh shit! I should have closed out. And came back down. Fuck. Oh, excuse my language. Damn, I should have closed out though. All right, so now while we wait for it to fluctuate and hopefully go back up, because I'm not gonna stop this till I get to 2 bands. I'm gonna tell you that. No. Oh shit, that shit just closed out by itself. You know why? It hit our stop loss, and that's what it closed us out at, $192. So now my balance is $1762. But if I was to close out this next one, we'll be at $1973. Honestly, shit, I did want to get the 2 bands. I'm sorry, but I might not be able to. So I mean, this is a great video though. You feel me? Like, from basically 200 to 1900, you can't beat that. In less than a day, you can't beat that. This is wonderful. I appreciate everything that this shit is blessing me with. I ain't gonna lie, when I first got into this, like, I mean, I never thought this was a scam. I always knew that this was gonna be great. But when I first got into it, it was a little hard. I had to really learn some stuff. But it's only hard if you don't use the time to learn it. Time is really of essence. Alright, so now it's looking like this is about to start retracing again. Because now at 1961, now 1952. Oh my goodness. I'm thinking that I should really close this out, but I'm trying to debate on it. I'm not sure yet. We gonna see. My phone is on 9%. Okay, so you see how that wick didn't go past that last one up top? That means this shit should still be selling. I'm gonna just, it just hit my stop loss. Oh my God. Cause it's going up. Y'all see how it's going up? It hit my stop loss. And I ain't even take it out. Oh my God. I ain't even gonna ride like that. We still gonna get this 2 bands today. I know I said might not. We gonna get it today. And I'm gonna show you how. Because that's ridiculous. Now it's starting to come back down. Let me hop back in. Watch this. Oh, all that. Already. It's all about your entry. This is prime example right here. Y'all seen how I was showing y'all on that chart, how it was going up and retracing? And as soon as I started seeing it come down, I just entered in real quick. And look, we already $29 positive. I'm trying to get to that 2 bands for y'all. Believe that. I want y'all to know that this really works, okay? This really works. Keep a positive attitude, a humble attitude, have patience, and you're on the road to become a billionaire. Yeah, I skipped the M word. It's the B word, as in boy, okay?
Yes, a billionaire. Billionaires in the making. Right now, currently, we are at 1972 if I was to close this thing out. But looking at these charts, as you can see, this shit is definitely about to shoot down low. Low. We looking pretty juicy. That last candle, like it already tried to retrace. Oh, look, we have looked for that for a second. Come back here, and it's shooting up. Now we 33 in the positive. That little bit of time. This is work. Work. This is work. Look at my margin level. The free margin of 17. It's just so beautiful. It just brings a sparkle in my eye. Oh my goodness. Excuse them. My stuff be going crazy all day. Now we are at 8% battery life. Like, you see, you can make this money until your phone die. Just like when they're riding a car till the wheels fall off. Like, this is what we're doing here. I'm almost done. I just want this thing to go down just a little more. We had 1983. Who was born in 1983? Who was born in 1990? 1994. Yep. $63. Let's go ahead and close out. Oh yeah. 2 bands. Let's go. I have all you guys' 9-to-5 jobs right in here. All you gotta do for more videos like this, like, comment, and share. Make sure you hit the description. Make sure our link's in there. You can go ahead and hit that up. Become part of the team like I was telling you guys. This is all you guys' 9-to-5 jobs in here. Let's end modern day slavery. Let's throw this shit away. Trash. And that's what we do to them jobs. Now let's get this financial freedom.
We count up the money together on rainy days. I'm your umbrella, supportive, and all of the etc. I compromised but couldn't get it back. If it ain't no growing, then it's wasted time. If it ain't money, call it on the line.